In this lecture, we're going to talk about candlesticks, charts, and Tradingview. So we are going to go over technical analysis, and we're going to start from the basics all the way to more advanced topics. And we are going to use technical analysis in an advanced kind of way when we get into the strategy section. Okay, so once we get there, we are going to use technicals in a way that you might not see a lot of people use. Okay, so for that we have to start here, but if you already know this, then you can skip a few lectures ahead, no problem. That being said, candlesticks, charts, and Tradingview. What's a candlestick? Candle is going to look like this, and this is what you're going to see on charts usually. How is this drawn? Usually you're going to have, let's say for a particular day, the first trade that happens in the day is going to be your opening price. Now, as transactions happen throughout the day, prices are going to go up and down. They're going to fluctuate. Every transaction is going to show up and the candle is going to change. So the lowest price that it's been at during the day is going to be the low price. And the highest price that it's going to be at is going to be the high price. And the last price that happens throughout the day is going to be the closing price. Now, if the close ended up higher than the open, we have what we call a green candle. If the close ended up being lower than the open price, then we have a red candle. A green candle means that prices went up for the day. Red candle, prices went down for the day. And the low and high are represented by these wicks here, or shadows. Okay? And the wicks are going to show you how far the lows were or the highs were. Okay? Now, these candles, they do not need to be daily. So each candle can represent any type of time frame. You can have 1 hour candles, which represent each hour. You can have 30-minute candles, 1-minute candle, 4-hour candles. It's up to you, right? So whenever we're looking at charts, you can look at the charts on your exchange, or you can use Tradingview. So Tradingview here is the most popular charting software out there. Okay, and I'll actually just open a new tab of it to show you how it looks like when you sign in. It looks like this. You have to have an account with Tradingview if you're going to trade. Bottom line, okay? Once you get in, and you can use the free version, okay? I have the pro, but you can use the free. You click on charts and it opens your charts. Let's say I want to look at Bitcoin, or let's say Ethereum. ETH, USDT, and you see there's all of these Ethereum USDT here. There's one of them on Binance, one on Poloniex, one on Bittrex, one on Huobi Pro, and one on HitBTC. So all these exchanges offer this pair. I want to look at the one on Binance because prices might be a little bit different on one exchange than the other. So I click on that. And let me just remove this. I had some stuff on. We'll talk about this later. And here is the chart of Ethereum USDT. And you can see right now, this is the price, $207.98. And each of these candles represents a day. And I can see like on this day, we had a huge drop. Okay. On this day, we had a huge move up, but it went up and then it came back down a bit and it stopped here. And then the next day it opened here, went down, fluctuated, closed here. Now here I can change the time frame. I could look at, 1 hour chart, which now each candle you can see at the bottom, let's say here, this is on August 12th at 6 a.m. Here is 5 a.m. Here is 4 a.m. So this one starts at 4 and finishes at 4:59 seconds. And then this one starts at 5 exactly, and then it finishes at 5:59 seconds. So each candle is an hour, and you can change the time frame that you're looking at. So which time frame you look at depends on which type of strategy that you're doing. If you're doing long term and you're investing, just look at the daily charts. Okay. If you are intraday trading, you want to have an idea of the daily, but then you want to look at maybe 1 hour charts, or even some people look at 15 and 5 minutes. I highly suggest not going lower than 5 minutes. But the minimum you can go would be 5 minutes if you're actively day trading. Otherwise, 15 minutes, 1 hour. If you're swing trading, you can look at 4-hour charts. So it's really going to depend on your time frame. So this is going to do it for this lecture. Have an account with Tradingview, play around with it for a bit. as we see things in technical analysis, we are going to try them out in TradingView, so you will get more comfortable using it.